Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have x, y, x, y. That is about the root number 1. So this is about homogeneous. And now I will put about y equal to vs. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1 and we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First derivative of s we have number 1, so we have v, and that is about the product rule of derivative. So this one we change by this one, y we change by vs. Now we need to simplify s. Next, I will put v go to this one. Now we do common denominator. So v multiplied by number 1 and negative v. And this one we have v minus v squared. So we have 3v minus v, we have 2v, negative and negative, we have positive v squared. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. And we have like this. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So this one that is about identities. So that should be about 1 plus v everything to the power of 2. Now I need to add about negative number 1. That means we need to put positive number 1. So this one we can do about factorization. This one we have number 2. So this one divide by this one. So we have 1 over 1 plus v. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 over 1 plus v. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of 1 plus v. The integration of the s over s, we have Ln of the absolute value of s. And I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 0. So we put number 1 and number 0 cone here to find the value of c. So this one we have number 0. This one we have number 0. This one we have number 2. So we simplify and we have c equals to negative number 2. And now we put negative number 2 cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.